Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you the easy and clear steps on how to make a column chart in Google Sheet on computer. So how to make a column chart in Google Sheet on computer? Make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Let's get started right away. Firstly, just go to the Google Sheets application on your computer or laptop. And this is the initial display of the Google Sheets workpage. Here I will use this table data. Just point the cursor to the top of the screen. Tap the Insert menu. Here a scrolling menu will appear. Tap the Chart menu. Here it will appear like this on the right side of the screen. Just enter the table data. Tap on this data range icon. Now this input menu will appear. In this section, enter all the first table data or brand. Then tap Add here. Enter the price data by blocking all price tables. And tap OK. Here it will appear like this. And to edit it, tap on the Customize section. Here there are many menu options. Tap Chart Style. Well, here tap 3D. To make the chart 3D. Next tap on Series. And scroll down. Tap Data Label. Here it functions to display price label data. And to add axis label or title. Tap Chart Axis Title. And in the Here section tap Title of the column chart to be created. Now you can edit the axis chart like I did. Now here it's finished making it. So that's it, tutorial how to make a column chart in Google Sheet on computer. Thank you for watching. I hope this video is useful. See you in the next video.